Hi guys, Barrett and I are starting today our trailer conversion project. We will epoxy the floor, right babe?
Yeah, we're going to use the epoxy you would use on a garage floor. You can sprinkle the decorative chips and stuff like that in. It's kind of going to be a mobile garage, so we think it works.
So we are gonna wait for the right temperature to apply the epoxy. What we are gonna do is prepare the floor, prepare the trailer, and then next step is to put down the railings, the ties.
Yeah, we have what's called X-Track. They're 5-foot long pieces. They'll go one in the middle, one on each side about midway up the trailer, and you can attach mounting points right onto that. So bikes will be very secure. We won't have to worry about them. So we're planning on using this countertop. It's left over from a little remodel we did in the kitchen inside. Tight to the front, so it's going to stick out to this far, but it's going to be cut to form into the front tight to that side, so that in the end you're going to have a countertop that starts at that side, goes to approximately here. We'll have storage underneath of it. Probably have a long cabinet here on the side. And then we're gonna have a bed that folds down from the wall, which will be, just so happens, as wide as this is tall. And folded up, it'll probably take up about that much space out.
So is a queen size Murphy bed that we are gonna plan and hook it on that side.
And then it'll fold down like this down to the floor. Come down to that position right there. A rod rack here with some shelving to display clothing items. And then we're gonna have our fitting room coming out on this side over here. Maybe
And Barrett brought out the tracks.
This is what's called an X-Track. There's also another one called an E-Track, and the difference is E-Track just has it going in one direction. And what these are is they're modular attachment systems. You can take the hooks, and they come with ratchet straps with these ends on them. They come with these, and you just lock it in wherever on the track you want. The difference between this and an E-Track is this one you can actually put them in that direction as well.
Hi guys, and today is day 2 in our trailer project. We have the help of Jimmy. Dad's here to help today. Dad.
So all we got to do is come with a straight edge straight off from this. We are trying to put this radius and this straight into this, so when we slide it in, it goes straight up. So I made a template of this side. It catches this radius, comes up the flat. We're going to use this as a guide to make our mark, but we've got to figure out where this falls on the panel first.
It did turn out perfect.
Yeah, it did. It fits the front nice. A little bit of caulking around that front corner. It'll look beautiful. Mm-hmm. Now we just got to build out the cabinets underneath.
Motorcycle ride for the season, and I came to check in this That's it. We are leaving for the first time as the full Brammoto setup. We'll see how this weekend go, and it's sealing our journey. Now here at the campground where we're gonna stay tonight for our first show. That is tomorrow. First practice run with the hose store and the Brammoto trunk show trailer.